Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser. I want to show you something very basic. We're going to be checking the washer fluid. So come on over here. Right here is your washer fluid reservoir. There's the cap, obviously. It says washer fluid right on the top. You don't want to add anything else. All you do is open it up, add your washer fluid as needed. Someplace right along this area right here would be pretty much full to me. Once it's full, take it, close it off, close your hood, off you go. Easy peasy. And as always, if you need any parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.